Hello, it's Sarah Berry from stampwithsarah.co.uk. Thanks for watching my video today. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and all of these products that you see me use today you can find on my online shop. All the links can be found at the bottom of this video. This is the Best Birds stamp set, which actually has coordinating framelit dies. Now these on this particular bundle were put and stored inside here on the magnetic sheet that I've added in. So I'm using the Hessian, which I would say it looks like a fabric texture, and I'm going to put that onto a block, which is block D. Now that's going to go directly onto my background, and my background today is very vanilla. The Sahara Sand ink matches the cardstock here, which is also Sahara Sand. And I'm just going to do a bit of stamping off just to get that colour even lighter, just across that middle lower half there, that lower section. Now that can go directly onto my card, which for that I always use my Tombow glue. That's going onto the Sahara Sand layer, and that will go onto my base card. Whoops, I went a bit wobbly. Like that. Okay, now for the white pieces I'm going to be stamping the tree branch and also the leaves. Also getting out the coordinating framelit too. Now I need a long slim block, which is block I, and then I'm going to be colouring in the stamp with my Stampin' Right markers. Now you've probably seen me do this before. It's a technique I really like to do, just adding the garden green to the leaves very quickly, like so, and then the chocolate chip to the actual branch. You don't have to be too precise, let those colours touch, and there you are. Like that. And then I'm going to run that through my Big Shot and cut it out. Okay, here's my branch. Now my branch is going to be raised up on a couple of foam pads. Now I'm going to use the mini foam pads. The mini foam pads are a fairly new addition to our product line. It's tricky just to get the first one off. There we go. Just a few. That's going to go across there. Actually, I've got it wrong way around, haven't I? There we go. That's better. I knew it didn't look quite right. Okay, and now it's time for the birds. Now, I would like the one that faces this way. Now, you have the dies that match each bird. So you've got that one and you've got this die that matches this bird, but also you've got 2 additional birds that don't cut out the stamps, they just cut out a really interesting pattern of bird all on its own. And look, that's got little hearts in it, which is really cute. I might actually do that one because this is going to be for an anniversary card. So if I just grab some, should we do it on the white? Yeah, I'll do it on the white and see what happens. Okay, here it is. You can see it's cut out all the little pieces, and I will just need to go in with my piercing tool and just encourage that to come out. See, look at that. Isn't that amazing? Probably doesn't really show up on there. What do you think? I might just colour that. I might just add some Sahara sand to it, and then we should be fine. So for that, I'll use one of these, which is our sponge roller. You don't need to press very hard, you just pick up a bit of ink and it gives you a great texture. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so seeing as I've got my mini foam pads out, I will pop 2 or 3 of those on the back. Just there. Might just need to cut that one. There. There's really lots you can do with this stamp set and the die bundle. Okay, now underneath I'm going to keep out the Sahara sand, and I'm actually going to stamp Happy Anniversary. Let's use that one. There we go, and it just needs to finish off a little of our very vanilla baker's twine. Which I'm going to thread underneath that trunk there, or branch, and wrap it round on the inside. And thread it through again. Perfect, love it. I'm going to tie in a bow. And there we are, that's really the end of the card today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'd love to hear what you think to the card. Have you had a go? Have you got this bundle? Have you got the stamps? Please let me know in the bottom in the comments, either on my blog or on YouTube. Please, if you've enjoyed my video, subscribe to my channel so you can have more videos like this appearing in your feed. Thanks so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you and hear from you soon. Bye bye.